You guys think you can eat an onion? Well, you don't have shit on Adam.
Tastes good? Come on, eat it all. Show it to the camera close. Close. Cheers. Grow. Come on, Adam, grow. It's not down yet?
Shove the whole thing in your mouth.
You can't even talk, you're like...
Onion.
You crying? Just gonna... Want to be famous? Want to be famous?
Oh.
I brought her into this world.
Come on, man. Eat it.
Almost
Take some-
done.
Almost done. Come on.
Don't throw it on the keyboard.
The same thing's just gonna be the whole like Mighty Duck thing.
Yeah,
Like the
it's
Come on, man, it's a little bit left. Just put it in your mouth.
put it in your mouth.
Put it in your mouth. Last bite.
Last bite, here we
Put it in
go.
your mouth like how it's a cock. What are you? No! No! You are such a bitch. Oh my
It
god.
ain't delicious like you think it is.
I don't give a fuck. Eat it, motherfucker.
Oh, just put the thing in your
Just
mouth.
put the whole thing in your
No, I
mouth.
won't.
In your throat. Yeah?
You better not puke.
You better go.
You
Brand
better not
new.
puke.
$20,000 touchscreen computer I just bought for the family.
Yeah, okay.
He's got one more piece. It only took an hour, but
Just eat the onion. Eat the onion. Only if y'all can hear him breathing as loud. Don't drink the water yet. Just wait till you put it down your mouth. Alright.
He's
Quick stop.
done.